I stopped doing the boxed mac and cheese ages ago.
Why did you stop?
Well, besides having all sorts of stuff like dyes and chemicals that I can't pronounce, it just doesn't taste as good as the mac and cheese Gus taught me how to make.
No way, I don't believe you.
It's true. Gus's mac and cheese is like the best mac and cheese you'll ever eat in your whole life.
That's a mighty strong claim, Elise. I don't know if you know this about me. I'm a well-known mac and cheese connoisseur.
What's a mac and cheese connoisseur?
It means I know my mac and cheese.
A connoisseur is a person who knows a lot about one special thing.
If you're telling me this mac and cheese will be the best I ever eaten in my whole life, then I have no choice but to say, prove it.
Prove it?
Yes, prove it. I'll be at your house at 4:47 p.m. today. I want you to show me this mac and cheese. Grandma, I have to move my 5 o'clock.
He hung up.
So he's a mac and cheese connoisseur, eh?
Yeah, and he's gonna be here in like 6 hours to see if your mac and cheese is the best mac and cheese he's ever eaten in his whole life.
Well, if he's been eating that box stuff, he's hardly in a position.
Gus, what are we gonna do?
Okay. First things first. You got any pasta?
Yeah?
What about some real honest-to-goodness butter?
Yeah?
And cheese?
No!
Well, you know what that means. It's time for the grocery store, grocery store, grocery store. It's time for the grocery store right now.
I went to 27 different grocery stores and not one of them had any cheese.
Not one?
Not one. They're all out of cheese. Everywhere. No cheese.
I don't know how you guys eat that stuff. Yuck.
What in tarnation? I ain't never heard of such a thing. No cheese.
No cheese. Turns out the cheese cows went on strike.
Cheese cows?
See, that totally makes sense. Those guys mean business. But, they have the best benefits.
Guys, what are we gonna do? He's gonna be here in like 4 hours, and we can't make mac and cheese with just the mac.
Settle down now, Lacey. Don't you worry. We're still gonna make Bryson a dish that'll blow his crocs off.
Really?
Of course, that's what we do. Now, you ready to finally do something with that butternut squash phone over there?
Yeah.
It's a cooking show. It's a cooking show. So today we're going to make a little something I created all by myself with no input whatsoever from the internet or any other source. It's a dish that I like to call Squash-aroni.
Squash-aroni?
Yep, Squash-aroni. Now, the recipe is pretty simple. First, we're going to take the butternut squash, the garlic, and the onions, and we're going to get it all roasted up. And then we're going to make some macaroni, and then we're going to take all the roasted stuff out of the oven and then put it in a blender, and then we're going to mix it all up and then pour it all over the macaroni and mix it all up real good. Are you ready to get this party started?
Yeah.
Boom. First, let's get the squash and stuff all oiled up, and then toss a little salt on there, too. Now let's get the water boiling so we can soften up this mac. It's got to be the perfect consistency, which in my humble opinion takes about 10 minutes. After you pour them in, make sure you stir real good. And keep stirring every now and then to make sure that mac ain't sticking. All right, it's been about 30 minutes, so let's get that yummy stuff out the oven so we can blend it up. Now we add the cream and the nutritional yeast and some salt and pepper, and that should do. Okay, now let's give it a taste. What do you think? Wait, don't tell me. Even though my hat's covering up my blowhole, I can tell by the aroma that it needs just a little more olive oil and a couple of pinches of salt. Alrighty, that should be good. You know what to do. He's gonna like it. He's gonna like it. He's gonna like it. He's gonna like it. He's gonna love 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 it. He's gonna
Why
love
are
it.
we not talking to each other?
Let's do this.
Well, he is punctual. I'll give him that.
So this is not macaroni and cheese?
No, but that's only 'cause there's a cheese shortage.
I looked everywhere.
Turns out the cheese cows went on strike.
I heard rumblings.
Anyway, so we decided to improvise. But let me just say from the get-go here that this is going to be the best squash-aroni you ever had in your life. And I really mean that.
To be honest, I never had squash-aroni. But I know when something is the best. So I'd be making up my own mind.
Well, okay, if that's how you feel about it.
Congratulations, Gus.
Aw, he totally liked it.
I'm impressed, Gus.
I sure... Well,
That's not an easy thing to do.
I like that kid's style.
Elise's World Show.